In this video, I'm going to show you how you can give roles to team members. You may want to have someone as community manager, you may have to have a fellow co-admin, or you may want to have someone who's just responsible for creating courses. All of this is possible on Unsolved, and I'm going to show you how sharing my screen. So on your membership site with Unsolved, all you need to do is head over to the settings icon, then head over to the members information, and then find the member who you want to give a role to. So you can either search, or if they're visible here, then just go with the visible option, right? And once you search and you click on them, you will find various roles that you can give them. These roles could be that they could be a community manager. A community manager can do pretty much everything that the admin can do except remove the admin, and you can remove the community manager, right? If you want him to be a co-admin, you can do that as well. Or if you want them to be a content manager can update any content on your site but doesn't get access to the dashboard. The event manager can only create events. Course creator can only create courses. A free member is just sometimes you want access to give someone free access, but a free member means that they have access to all your content for free. They don't have this limited access to your content. They have all access, all content for free. And finally, we have a sales role. The sales role basically gets access to what? The member database, right? So they actually will be able to see the member database. They'll be able to see the numbers. They'll be able to see people who have tried to sign up but not signed up. It helps them kind of get access to this lead information so that they can then go ahead and close this data. Not only do you get this information, you will also get to know if they have made any payments. Right now there are no payments here. And if you want to make any notes on this member or lead, you can actually say that you can add some context, because sometimes you forget what is the context of a person, of a member, right? So if you have a one-on-one call with them and you want to make some quick notes, a summary of what they are like, then you can just type the summary over here saying, let's say works with let's say PNG, right, and has a problem with his manager, right, which he wants to solve. Now I'm just adding this. Of course, it may not be that you're doing one-on-one calls with everyone, but the point really is that once this is saved, now it's available forever, right? So that's really the piece that you get. That's it from me. I'm going to sign off. You've kind of figured out how to do members and give them roles, and that's all the objective of this video was.